Rainbow Falls, and I found a rain jacket that I was smart enough to pack and forgot about. And last time I was here, it was really, really, really dry. So the rainbow was like a little trickly. I'll post a picture of myself next to it, looking all young and as thin as the waterfall. What?
You said the rainbow was a
trickle. Oh, the rainbow. The waterfall. The rainbow waterfall was a trickle.
It's definitely not this time.
We're about to see it.
Whoa.
Is it gonna be a big boy? Is it gonna be a big boy? Let's go this way.
No, not allowed.
Oh, what?
One way.
It's a big boy this time. Come. So now we're at Boiling Pots, where I went illegal swimming 9 years ago. So you can't get me in trouble anymore.
So while Maui was battling a giant lizard named, I think, Mo'ouna or something like that.
Something like
that. Who was trying to kill his mother, he asked Pele to send lava down to evaporate the water and expose his hiding place. And then he was able to kill him. And apparently his body, the giant lizard's body, is still at the bottom of these pits, and they're called the Boiling Pots because they were boiled by Pele.
Or it's because when it rains, it looks like it's boiling. Maui is cooler. I never even enjoyed the view because we just went right over the fence over there. We climbed over there, went right down. Now it's not possible, obviously. I think if we go down, we can see more of the waterfall. That is where the bad people climb over to swim. Not us, not us. Yeah, look. So Isaac is scared of bats. He'll tell you he isn't. But I saw him climb right out of a cave once. Some bats. Bye. So Isaac is scared of bats. He'll tell you he isn't. But I saw him climb right out of a cave once. It's a bat. So one day we come back to explore the whole 2 miles? We'll die. Okay. I am Olena. This is Isaac.
And we are the TravelBugBite.
We met in Prague, Czech Republic.
Lived in Shanghai, China.
New York and Rhode Island, USA.
And now we live in Hawaii.
We've traveled from Tibet to Puerto Rico.
Harbin to PP.
And drove cross country with Smiley in our Tesla Model 3.
Subscribe to follow our adventures. If you liked our video, don't forget to click the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. Check out our videos from all around the world and let us know what you'd like to see next.
Thanks for watching!